Welcome everybody. Today on Pressure Crisp, Aunt Ruthie, I'm looking at her right over there. Aunt Ruthie wants chicken fingers with a honey mustard sauce. This is my mom's favorite. I did do a video for the foodie. I'll put a link up here if you want to do it in the foodie. I don't have much more to say. Do you have anything to say?
I just wanted you to get a video of the flowers that you bought me.
Okay, we'll do.
Beautiful.
All right, we'll do that later.
Okay.
So without further ado, come on over everybody and let's get these tenders started. We're going to start by making the honey mustard sauce. You're going to need a half a cup of mayo. I'm just going to take a little more out of here and place that right in there. Next, we're going to go ahead and add yellow mustard, a tablespoon and a half of yellow mustard. You're also going to need about a tablespoon of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and you're also going to need 1 to 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm just going to let this overflow. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey and see how that is. And last but not least, a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. And all you're going to do is you're just going to whisk this all up. All right, we are going to taste test it. Super good. We're gonna pop this in the refrigerator and let it chill, cool down. It's better if you make this in the morning so it has like all day to sit in the fridge. You're gonna want to make sure your roasting pan is in, and I'm using the air crisp basket as well as your splatter shield. You're gonna go ahead and lower the lid. You're gonna hit air crisp. We're gonna keep it on 390 and we're gonna hit start. And right now it's just preheating. These are chicken tenders. They have been marinating in buttermilk overnight. This is the buttermilk that I used. There's about a cup to maybe a cup and a half. We're not making a ton of tenders today, but you can marinate these for a few hours or overnight. We're setting up the dredging station, and we're gonna go ahead and start with the flour station. I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1/3 cup flour. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/3 cup cornstarch as well. I'm gonna add black pepper, fresh ground black pepper. Probably like a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of black pepper. And also salt, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. Granulated garlic, like half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, depending on how much you like the garlic. And if you want, where is it? I'm just gonna add a dash of cayenne. You're gonna take a fork or a whisk, and you're gonna whisk and fork this all together, just like that. The next station is going to be the egg wash station. I'm just going to take 1 egg, place it right in there. And I'm going to add a splash of buttermilk, just a bit. Take a fork or a whisk, and we're just going to combine all this like that. So I try to put them in, I set it up the way I'm going to be dipping it, but we're going to move some things a bit closer. Last but not least, we're going to set up the breading station. I think I'm going to go with because we're going to have extra. We're going to go with a cup of panko and maybe a quarter to a half a cup of breadcrumbs. I always like to mix mine. We're going to add black pepper to this, probably like half a teaspoon. I'm going to go ahead and add salt, half a teaspoon of salt. Granulated garlic, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Also just a dash of cayenne. You're going to take your fork and you're just going to mix this up. The breadcrumbs really coat nicely, and the panko adds a terrific crunch to these tenders. So here's our complete station. I am going to take these tenders out. I'm just going to reach in the bag and pull them out. Just going to do one at a time. Make sure it drips off just a bit. Just going to coat the tenders in the flour. Well, the flour cornstarch mixture. Then we go right into the egg mixture. Now you want to make sure you coat all sides of these tenders with that egg mixture. Now I know by looking at this I may need another egg. I should have probably just went with 2 to start. You take it and directly put it right into the breadcrumb mixture. That one looks good. Just gonna go overhead and put it on a plate. We'll do one more for you. Okay, so I've completely coated all the chicken tenders. Now I'm gonna use a spray. This is an avocado spray, and I'm just going to spray these tenders. I'm going to flip them over and spray the other side. Ninja Foodi is all set. We're going to go ahead and raise the lid. We're going to take those tenders and place them right into the basket. And then we'll see how many we can get in here. Actually, let's cook 4 and we'll do the rest of them in a bit. Go ahead and lower the lid. We're going to go ahead and just keep it on 20 minutes. 7 minutes has gone by. Let's raise the lid. Oh yeah, look at these. They are looking wonderful. We are going to take a spatula and we're going to turn them over. It's much easier than this. It's just I'm working from a terrible angle here. Just turn them over like that. Now, if you notice that they're dry, you can actually spray them with more oil if you want to at this point. Go ahead and lower the lid. 10 minutes has gone by. Let's check on these. I just want to do a quick temp on them. Oh, wow. Yeah. These tenders are done. Oh, this one's not. All right, a few more minutes and these tenders will be done. I'm thinking probably the tenders cook probably, I'm going to give them until 12 minutes. But some of them are already done. It's amazing how fast these cook in the grill. So a total of probably like 11 minutes. Yeah, 11 minutes has gone by. I just want to make sure this one tender is done, but these, oh wow, I just can't believe how fast these cooked. All right, this one's not quite done. It's an odd bird. This one's done. That one's done. I'm just checking. Yeah, we still have a few more minutes. We still have a few more minutes for these tenders, for the one tender. All right. There we go. Sorry, the phone rang. I'm going to go ahead and... Yep, these done. These tenders are done. Unbelievable. So I'm going to be gentle taking these out. And I'm going to plate these up. And Aunt Ruth is going to do a taste test. How fast they cook. Like, these are actually quite large tenders. Holy crap, it's giant-sized tenders. These are almost like chicken breasts than tenders, Aunts. You know what I mean?
Well, they're all different sizes, though.
No, but these are like, this one looks like a tender and that one, but these two are beasts. Beasts, I say, beasts. Boom! Now tell me that isn't beautiful. Look at that, people. All right, out of control. Look at that face, the anticipation. Here are the tenders right here. Let me just do a close-up.
God,
These are like bigger than tenders, almost like chicken breasts, but I was shocked how fast these cooked. I've made chicken breast in the grill, but I haven't made tenders, but these are kind of larger than tenders. But look at this. Homemade honey mustard sauce. Amazing. So the plate's kind of hot, Aunts. So there you go.
Oh,
I'd grab that one because
it.
yeah, I'd grab one of these two just so. All right, hold on. Let me make sure she's in the shot here. You go down a bit. All right, dig in.
Oh, they're hot.
Yeah, they're super hot, so be careful.
Mm.
Oh yeah, they're steaming.
Mm.
Are they good?
That sauce is excellent.
Yeah, the sauce is the best.
Mm. Mm.
So what do you think? Are you gonna tell them?
They're delicious. I'm too busy eating them, I'm sorry.
I know, she's too busy eating. Excuse me. I got a frog in my throat. Another quick, easy video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, everybody. Leave comments for Aunt Ruth. Whoops. Tender down, tender down. She appreciates all the comments. She really, really does. Thanks, everybody. Okay, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Busy.
That's all you get is bye.